What if I told you the reason people ignore you, avoid you, or don't respect you has nothing to do with your looks, money, or talent, but everything to do with how you treat them? Stay with me, because this might change every relationship in your life. Most people think success comes from intelligence, hard work, or luck. But here's the truth. Your success in life is largely determined by one skill: how well you deal with people. This video breaks down the most powerful lessons from How to Win Friends and Influence People, a book that has helped millions build better relationships, influence others, and become more likable. Let's dive in. Lesson 1. Stop criticizing, complaining, and condemning. Let me ask you something. Have you ever been criticized and instantly felt defensive? Exactly. Humans hate criticism. It bruises our ego. Instead of saying, "You messed this up," try saying, "Hey, maybe we can try a different approach." Same message, completely different reaction. People don't change because you attack them. They change because they feel understood. Real life. Imagine your coworker makes a mistake. If you criticize them, they'll shut down. But if you guide them calmly, they will respect you. Golden rule. Don't criticize. Understand. Lesson 2. Give honest and sincere appreciation. Here's a secret most people ignore. Everyone is starving for appreciation. Not fake compliments, not flattery, but real, genuine recognition. Think about it. When was the last time someone truly appreciated you? Feels powerful, right? If you want people to like you, make them feel important. Example. Instead of saying, "Good job," say, "I really liked how you handled that situation. That took patience." Now it feels real. People will forget what you said, but they will never forget how you made them feel. Lesson 3. Make people like you instantly. Want people to like you instantly? Do this. Smile. Remember their name. Show genuine interest. Simple, but powerful. Names matter. A person's name is the sweetest sound to them. Next time you meet someone, remember their name and use it. "Nice to meet you, John." It builds connection instantly. Also, listen more than you talk. People love talking about themselves. So instead of trying to impress, be interested. That's the real hack. Lesson 4. Become a master listener. Most people don't listen. They just wait for their turn to speak. But powerful people, they listen deeply. Listening equals respect. When someone feels heard, they feel valued. Try this. Next time someone talks, don't interrupt. Don't think about your reply. Just listen. Then respond thoughtfully. You'll instantly stand out. Reality check. You don't win people by talking more. You win them by listening better. Lesson 5. Win people to your way of thinking. Here's where it gets interesting. If you want to influence people, never start with "you're wrong." That instantly creates resistance. Instead, start with agreement. Say, "I see your point. You're right about that." Then slowly guide the conversation. Why it works. People don't like being told they're wrong, but they're open to ideas when they feel respected. Example. Instead of arguing with a friend, say, "That's a good point, but what if we try this?" Now it becomes a discussion, not a fight. Lesson 6. Make people feel important. This might be the most powerful lesson of all. Treat people like they matter, because they do. Everyone you meet wants to feel respected, wants to feel valued, wants to feel important. And if you give them that feeling, they will naturally like you, trust you, and support you. Simple ways to do it. Listen carefully, appreciate sincerely, respect opinions, encourage others. Truth. People may forget your words, but they will remember how you made them feel. Are you someone who talks more or listens more? Be honest, because that answer might be the reason your relationships are the way they are. Lesson 7. Change people without offending them. Want to correct someone without hurting them? Use this formula. Praise first, then suggest improvement. Example. You did a great job on this. Maybe we can improve this part a little. Now, it doesn't feel like criticism. It feels like guidance, and people are far more open to it. Here's the truth. You don't need more talent. You don't need more luck. You need better people skills. Because life is not a solo game. It's a relationship game. And once you learn how to understand people, appreciate them, respect them, you unlock a completely different level of success. If this video changed the way you think even a little, hit that like button. Subscribe for more powerful book summaries that actually improve your life. And comment below, I value people. Because once you value people, people will value you.